Hello students, today we are going to study congruence of segments. First, we will draw two segments. Here, segment AB and segment PQ. This is segment AB and segment PQ. Now, if we place segment AB on segment PQ, they coincide exactly. Now, using the ruler, we will measure the lengths of segment AB and segment PQ. This is the measurement of segment AB and this is PQ. Are they of the same length? Yes. The length of segment AB is equal to 5 cm. AB is 5 cm and segment PQ also 5 cm. Means both the segments lengths are equal, same. Means both the segments are congruent. This segment AB and segment PQ are congruent. If segment AB and segment PQ are congruent, it is written like this: segment AB congruent segment PQ. Means segment AB is congruent to segment PQ. Okay. If given line segments are equal in length, means their length is equal, they are congruent. Here segment AB congruent to segment PQ, or we can say segment PQ congruent to segment AB. Okay. Now if we will draw one more segment over here. This is segment MN. This is the segment MN. If segment AB is congruent to segment PQ, segment PQ is congruent to segment MN, then we can say that segment AB is congruent to segment MN. Okay. Means segment AB is congruent to segment PQ, PQ is congruent to segment MN. Means segment AB is congruent to segment MN. Okay. Now here we will see one example. Here I am going to draw some line segments. These are some line segments: A, B, C, D, E, F, G and here O. Means here some line segments are there. Now here we are going to write pairs of congruent line segments. For that, take a divider and measure the length of any one segment. Suppose first we will measure the length of AO, segment AO. AO. Now we are going to see that we are going to compare this length with the length of other segments. Yes, this segment AO and segment EO, both the lengths are equal. Here means here we can say that segment AO is congruent to segment EO. Okay, now measure the next segment. Now we'll take segment GO. Compare this length with other segments. This is the GO. Yes, this CO is equal in length. Again DO is also, means this all three segments are equal in length. Means here we can write that segment GO congruent to segment CO congruent to segment DO. Okay, all three segments are congruent to each other. Now another same thing we'll do. FO is congruent to BO. Means here segment FO is congruent to segment BO. Okay, means here we can say that if given line segments are equal in length, they are congruent to each other. Okay, thank you.